Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for Not Too Shabby monthly hop for August, and this is the Paper Pad Club. And if you don't know about the subscriptions, you get two paper pads here and they're really pretty, and sometimes there's most of the time there is a cut apart sheet, I believe 3 to 4. And so it just makes it easy to make some cards, getting this every month to your house. And it's just really lovely. I really love it. And if you can add the stamp of the month to it and ephemera, and you'll have so much goodness to play with. So I am using that this month, and we actually have a special offer. So let me let you know what I'm doing here. I'm picking out some pattern papers, really pretty. I love those jackets or sweaters, and I'm using the Easy Wonder Die number 2 from LV Handcrafted and Not Too Shabby Shop. And I'm going to run it through my electric die cutting machine maybe 3 times. And I love this paper. It kind of looks like quilted. And so I'm going to use that. And what I love about the Easy Wonder Die number 2 is that you get a thanks word. So I love the font on the thanks, and I think it's actually my first time using it. And so I am just going to finish running those papers through, and what I wanted to tell you is if you place an order before August 15th or by August 15th, midnight Central Time, you will get a $5 gift voucher on your next purchase, but you need to put in the notes on the checkout, you need to put "but first coffee." So if you can do that, and then Jamie will see, and you'll get $5 to spend on your next order. And I don't know about you, but there's so many things that I want. I even want to hoard and collect all the enamel dots, the sparkling enamel dots. And then I do want some glue. So there are so many things that I want. So check out the Not Too Shabby shop and go ahead and do that. Put in the notes, but first coffee, and that way Jamie will see. And remember, before or by August 15th at midnight Central Time. So I am putting my card together, and a funny story is I lost the S from the thanks, and I was looking all over, and I didn't want to use a different paper because that would look funny, I thought. So I had to run the thanks through with, luckily I had that scrap of paper there and I was able to do that, but it was a process. And so I am just putting this fun paper together, and I love the little kitchen dining area. I love the stove and the girl, and I'm also stamped and colored the pie, which is really pretty. I love the apples there. And then I'm going to glue a girl ephemera piece, which looks like Jamie to me. Isn't she cute? I did use my brother's scan and cut, and yeah, I'm still not sure I love it, but it did cut her out like this. and then I have my other pie there. So, well, I don't use that pie since, or actually I do use it. It's right in front of her. Yeah, so I do use it. And so there's my S for my thanks. Yay! And so I am going to just add my sparkling enamel dots. And remember, we have an Instagram hop as well, so check out that hop too. And I hope you have fun hopping with us. I'm going to have fun seeing what everybody else came up with. So I'm just going to put everything in the description for you. And here is a close-up. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.